Just on the beat.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So, I already brushed my hair out a little bit, but that's why I look real bogus right now. I look a mess. But so yeah, basically, cause y'all, I need to post something. So I need to do a video. So yeah. So yeah, y'all. I ain't gonna talk. I ain't gonna drag this out. So let's get started. So everything you need a hard brush. You need some gel. I use Eco styling gel. Toothbrush for your edges or whatever you use for your edges. Y'all already know, if you watch the slick back tutorial, I be using spoolies for my edges because, you know. Alright, so first thing you want to do is brush your hair out, which usually you can go like part your hair into fours and do this, but you know, I'm just going, because the more your hair is brushed out, the bigger your bun is going to be. Y'all, I really want to start doing more hair tutorials because, yeah, I just do. But yeah. So let me tell you, I had my hair in like a braid when I went to sleep. That's why my curl pattern ain't normally what it would be. My hair would be much bigger, like much bigger right now if it wasn't in a braid last night. I look like a little prisoner. Y'all know what I'm talking about when they be braiding their hair in prison. But alright. So then, what you want to do is, you want to get your hair super slick. So I'm going to go in with my gel. Oh, please don't mind me. I look real rough in this video. So basically, this is what I do with my gel. I put it in the front. And then in the back, of course. You need your hair slicked in the back. Then you want to take this brush. I don't know about y'all, but I always leave baby hairs out right here. I think it's cute. So, see, I still got bumps back here, so I'm going to keep brushing it. I take two, depending on how thick your hair is. My hair is pretty thick. Pull it out. And also, if you see some curls, make sure you brush them out again. But yeah. So then you wanna make this ponytail super tight. Trying to get this last loop, boy. Alright. Oh. Hold on, y'all, I need a break. That is so exhausting. Okay. So I really want a high slick ponytail like this. That would be so cute on me, I think. Okay. Then you're gonna need another ponytail. Hold it. So basically you need about three or four in case one breaks. Lord knows I always break one. So this is the part it takes a while. Like I'll probably end up having to do this part like 3 times. So, okay. So then you want to take either side and you want to do this. Oh shoot. Do this. And you see how it's not poofy? Then you want to fluff it out. Pull hair. Pull hair, pull hair. Then put Then, okay, so y'all see it's not that big, right? Then, boy, this part be aggravating me. So listen, then you gotta flip it out by pulling the hair. Flip it out. Some people like to form theirs in a circle more than others. So oh yeah, y'all. Then you want to do your edges. Everybody do their edges different. I've been doing this lately. I'll just swoop that side. Swoop that side. I haven't been doing my edges right here because I don't like how it looks. They look crusty. It looks so small on camera, but I promise it's not that small. Basically, this is my like bun that I do when I'm being lazy or something. That's all, y'all, for this little bun tutorial. It's a little easy frizzy bun type thing. I don't know what to call it. It's not a top knot bun, but I do know how to do them. But that's not what this video is. So, alright, y'all, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this video was helpful. I don't think I really like this bun like that, but it's alright. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in another video.